my God, yo guys,
meet Mr. Tushar.
यहाँ लगा. See, I'll show you so much exotic motorcycles. Look at this beauty. This is like, look at this beauty, man. And top of all, look at this, man. It's like Rolls Royce on 2 wheels. Look at the color. Exotic machine. Can you compare this with the BMW?
No,
this is better or what
no,
BMW
this is any day better than
oh my God.
BMW.
Look at the lights, man.
Look at the headlamp, bro. Wonderful, amazing machine.
This is legit, man. This is
a
four bonnet Indian.
Four bonnet Indian, like a Rolls Royce, Spirit of Ecstasy.
Nothing, man. See, we have a real life statue also.
Look at this early man.
Oh my God, this is also red Indian.
Red Indian, yes.
Look at the stock.
If nobody's sitting here.
Leather jackets. Look at this tire. This whole tire cost approximately 4.5 lakh rupees only.
What
the tire.
The fuck?
4.5 lakh. 4.5 lakh. This is puncture proof, man. You can't puncture it.
Look at this tire, guys. And look at this.
1960 model.
1960 model of the motorcycle. Shit.
I mean, people in India were, doing farming, and people in US were building this.
Shit. Amazing stuff you guys have.
Yeah, man, see how many awards you have won, man.
Oh shit, bro. You got lot of things.
Yes.
Oh yeah. And apart from that, I got this only. This tin can Coca-Cola.
See, look at this machine. That's worth 1 CR, man.
Oh fuck, bro. Look at this bad boy.
Thar can compete against.
Look at this bad boy. Look at the seat of this nonsense stupid thing. How people can afford these kind of ATVs now in India. Look, this is more than a crore.
More than a crore.
More than a crore. And this ATV have a speaker on it.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Inbuilt woofers.
And what about the turbocharger? How many turbochargers we have?
This produce 225 HP.
225 HP. Look at this bad boy engine, guys. Look at this.
4-cylinder.
Look at this engine. Look at the suspension. The suspension is not a 9 inches or 15 inches. This is more than 21 inches wheel. Look at the wheel, guys. Oh yeah, Al Habibi. No, people can't say come to Dubai. Come to India. Look at this Indian, guys.